Hey guys, Misco Electric here. I wanted to do a quick follow-up because if you watched my Surron XX video, this bike and me with the first drive, I had said in that video that I was going to install a Kaniwaba kit, and finally I did. So I wanted to show you what that's all about, what it looks like, and how I got this on here. It did take a little bit of time, but what's great about these pedals is not only they're really high quality, they have these really solid pegs, spikes, so you can get your good grip with your boots on. These are also able to just pop right out, and you can put the pegs back on if you don't like it. But what I liked about this was that it allowed me to basically propel the bike forward if I was going to be going on any trails, so that it doesn't look super obvious that this is a motorbike instead of an e-bike that could pass for, you know, like a mountain bike style or something like that. A couple things to point out is that it is really strong. They gave me these plates to install and obviously a few other things, but this adds to the structural rigidity of the bike, so it's actually a really nice setup. And what people usually do when they put this kit on is they take this guard off back here, and I didn't want to do that because I installed a belt drive, so instead I just notched it out with the orbital tool, and the chain can fit through there with ease and not rub on it, and everything still works. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a brief update about this kit. I really like it so far, and happy riding.